Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to solve a question from organic chemistry from aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid chapter from class 12. This question was asked by a student of mine. Okay, let us begin. This is an essay type question carrying 5 marks. The question is, the first question is a two question, and this the first one is an aromatic compound A, molecular formula C8H8O. C8H8O gives positive D4 DNP test. It gives a yellow PPT of compound B on treatment with iodine and sodium hydroxide solution. Compound A, this compound, does not give Tholen's or Fehling test. On drastic oxidation with KMnO4, it forms a carboxylic acid C. Molecular formula is C7H8O2, which is also formed along with the yellow compound in the above reaction. Identify ABC and write the reactions involved. This question carries 4 marks, and the second question is write the structure and product of the following reaction. This one. Okay. For the first question, let me read it again. An aromatic compound A, which means this compound A must contain a benzene ring, which is also indicated from the formula itself, because in the formula number of carbon atom and hydrogen atom are almost same, which means there must be a benzene ring. Okay, gives positive D4 24 DNP test, which means this solution, let me write solution from here. This A, whose formula is C8H8O, this compound gives 2,4 DNP test. 2,4 DNP test. Okay. Sinahib Artha Karino Hargati. This compound must be, which means this compound A must be an aldehyde or ketone. This can be aldehyde or ketone, right? And since it is an aromatic compound, this contains a benzene ring. And the benzene contains how many carbon atom? 6. So there must be benzene ring, and the functional group is aldehyde and ketone, right? So possible structure is, one benzene is here. Aldehyde or ketone means this is 6 carbon atom, and if it is ketone, then this must be the structure, and if it is the aldehyde, then this must be the formula. This can be the formula, right? Okay. But it is given that this compound gives a yellow PPT of compound B, yellow PPT, on treatment with iodine and sodium hydroxide solution, which means this compound also gives iodoform test. Now, giving iodoform test, this is iodoform test, and in this reaction, in the iodoform reaction, iodoform is formed whose color is yellow. So in iodoform test, to give iodoform test, there must be a methyl group which must be attached directly to the carbonyl carbon atom. So out of these two, this aldehyde does not have any methyl group directly attached to CHO. So this cannot be the compound. This must be the compound. It is clear from the second statement itself, but this is supported by next statement also. The compound A, this is the compound A, does not give tolerance or failing test, which also means that ketone must be the compound, because failing test and tolerance test are given by aldehydes, not by ketones, right? So this must be the ketone. So this is the compound A. This is acetophenone, right? So let me write the reaction in the next slide. But on drastic oxidation with KMnO4, this compound A gives carboxylic acid. One carboxylic acid must be there. Okay, then, and the formula of the carboxylic acid is C7H8O2, which is also formed along with yellow compound in the above reaction. Yellow compound is the iodoform. Okay, so now let me write the complete structure, which is very, I think, very simple in this slide. See, the compound A must be this. This must be the compound because it gives what? 2,4-DNP test aldehyde or ketone. If it is, this is the compound A, right? Acetophenone. Name of this compound is acetophenone. And if I write the product here, that will be a big molecule when it is reacted with 2,4-DNP. 2,4-DNP is 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. So this is a characteristic test for characteristic reaction of property for aldehydes and ketones. So this is positive. This is giving positive test, means the compound is aldehyde or ketone, but it is also given that it does not give failing test. Tolerance test means this is tolerance test negative, right? Failing test again negative, which means this is the compound, not aldehyde. Okay, this must be the alketone. Okay, so let me write the iodoform reaction for this compound. This is our A. This all properties shows that the compound is ketone, and one methyl group must be attached to the carbonyl carbon atom. I am not writing this statement here, I am just explaining here. If possible, you guys please write the statement, right? So this is our A compound, which is called acetophenone, and if it is reacted with iodine in presence of sodium hydroxide, this bond will be broken. Okay, this bond will be broken, right? And this CH3 will be converted into CHI3. Let me write the products here, and this part will be a carboxylic acid. All right, this will be our benzoic acid, and another one is what? Iodoform, CHI3. That this CH3 is converted into CHI3. This will be our, I think, yellow PPT means B. Yes, this is our this is our B compound, means this is yellow in color, yellow PPT, right? This is the iodoform test, and the color of iodoform is yellow. And also it is also given that when this compound A on drastic oxidation with KMnO4, they said that it gives carboxylic acid C, which is also form along with the yellow PPT. Okay, this is the actually compound. When reacted this ketone with camphor drastically, this bond will be broken and this part will be converted into carboxylic acid. This will be the carboxylic acid, which is also formed here. This is C compound and this is C compound, right? This is the reaction. You guys can write this reaction as separate reaction, but I'm writing this together, right? Okay, this is the complete reaction for the question. And second part is write the structure and product of the following reaction. When benzene is reacted with this propanoyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride and CS2, what will be the product? So this is here. This is the second part of the question. This is the first part. This is the first part of the question, and second part of the question is we need to write the product here. This is our benzene, and if it is reacted with C2H5 C double bond O Cl in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride with CS2, what will be the product? This is the question. Okay, this is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation, and this whole group will act our electrophile attaching with this carbon atom, right? So our product will be CO, and this is C2H5, right? This is a ketone plus HCl. The name of this compound is, I can write what will the name of this compound? This phenyl, I can write the name of this compound as phenyl propanone, propan 1 on, like this, right? This is the product. This is the product, and the name of the reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay, let me complete this video here. In the next video probably I'm going to give the lecture on orthopara directing group. Okay, please share this video with your friends, and if you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe to the channel, and also press the notification button also. Thank you.